unseasoned. Today I'm doing a crock pot meal and it's pork chops. And it sounds good, it's real simple, and I hope it'll turn out great. So I hope everybody's doing great today. Without further ado, let's get started. For this recipe, you'll need pork chops, about a tablespoon of oil for browning your pork chops, garlic, chicken broth, I'm using Better Than Bouillon, and chopped onion. First of all, you want to start out by heating up your oil so you can brown your pork chops. Now I did salt and pepper my pork chops, and I put a little bit of seasoning salt just to give it flavor because it didn't call for it anywhere else in the recipe. And I did this before browning them. And I salt and peppered for both sides. Once I got all my pork chops brown, I topped it with the onion and the garlic. And then I also poured my 1 cup of chicken broth around the edge. And I cooked it on low. It only took mine about 5.5 hours, but the recipe said 6 to 8 hours on low. And here it is. As you can see, they are fork tender. And my family absolutely loved these. They went on and on about these pork chops. They were so tender. They were so flavorful from the onion and garlic. And they all three said that they wanted this again. So I hope you'll give it a try. It's so simple. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all have a great and wonderful day. And until next time, bye y'all.